Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix wireless capability is turned off problem. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Right-click UEFI adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Adapter, click Disable. Right-click Adapter, click Enable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.